In the land of Dino Valley lived a tiny but bold T-Rex named Rexy. He wasn't the biggest or the scariest, but he was definitely the funniest dino around. One morning, while brushing his teeny dino teeth with a tree branch, Rexy heard a strange sound from Mount Boom Boom, the valley's old volcano. Brrrr! Rexy blinked. Did the volcano just burp? He ran to tell his friend, Tina the Triceratops. Tina, Mount Boom Boom burped. Tina giggled. Volcanoes don't burp, Rexy. Maybe it was you. No way, Rexy said, holding his nose. That was a mega burp. Just then, burp. It happened again. But this time, smoke rings came out of the top. Now all the dinos gathered to see what was going on. Terry the pterodactyl flew up and shouted, Guys, the volcano's not erupting, it's got a tummy ache. Everyone gasped. Rexy had an idea. Maybe it ate too many lava rocks. Tina laughed. We should give it dino soup. So the dinos cooked up a silly soup made of steamed ferns rock, pebbles one old dino sock. They rolled the soup in a giant coconut and catapulted it into the volcano. The volcano bubbled, rumbled, and then let out the biggest, loudest burp ever heard in dino history. Boom! Then, silence. The volcano gave off a little puff of steam in the shape of a smiley face. Rexy cheered. It worked. Boom Boom feels better. From that day, Rexy became the official dino doctor of burps. And Mount Boom Boom never burped without saying, "Excuse me," again.